Alright, I want to show you this TETON Sports Camping Cot. We're going to set it up real quick. So first we got our two poles that go along the side. The main cot itself. This is a pretty big cot. So it just folds down. You want to kind of open it up like this. Get down like that. Then we just slide one of these into each end here. Make sure that the red spot on the cross beam lines up with this little control arm here. We want to make sure that we do the part with this control arm is the last one, and we kind of want to go every other. So I usually start over here. So we want to do like a crisscross pattern. So you lock this side in, then we're going to go over. Lock the opposite side in, and then we'll go over, lock this one in. It's a little bit difficult. And then this last one would be real difficult, but they make this little patented arm that helps guide it down. You just stick it in, a little guide, and then it helps to push it right onto the spot that it goes into, just like that. And that's how you set it up, right there. So tear down, you just follow the steps backwards. Get that control arm in there, lift it up, it'll pull it back, and then we'll just go, doesn't really matter as much coming out of it. Pull the poles out. Pull it together in the middle, and make sure your ends are folded in nice. And then we're going to flip this up and around. That drops down. Flip this up and around. That drops down. And you can kind of tuck it in if you want. Keep it nice and compact. That's ready to go back in your bag. It'll be a little difficult. I kind of just stick it over the top. Like that, and then flip it over. Your ends tucked in. Sure you got your holes in there. Then it's got these two little Velcro straps. Just push them through. Push them through. And that's it. Pretty easy.